Hey everyone, if you're experiencing flickering, stuttering, or lag while using G-Sync, don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you some simple steps to fix these issues and get your games running smoothly again. Before we start into the steps, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Disable any overlay software. Many times, overlay software like in-game overlays or screen recording programs can cause flickering or lag. Try disabling any overlays, including those from programs like Discord, Steam, or Nvidia, and see if the problem improves. So for doing this, right-click on your desktop and choose Show More Options. Now open the Nvidia Control Panel. Once there, click on Manage 3D Settings from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you see Monitor Technology. I am using 60 Hz old monitor, so I am not getting option. You will get option named Monitor Technology. If it's set to G-Sync compatible, switch it to fixed refresh rate. After that, click Apply and check if the issue is resolved. If issue remains same, make these changes too. Stay in the Manage 3D Settings section. Scroll down to find Vertical Sync VSync. Turn VSync to On and click Apply. If the issue persists after the Nvidia Control Panel changes, go into the graphics settings in your game and enable VSync there as well. This can help further smooth out any stuttering or lag that might still be happening. That's it. Hopefully these steps have helped resolve the flickering or stuttering you were experiencing with G-Sync. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like, and if you want more easy-to-follow tech fixes, hit that subscribe button. Happy gaming!